Welcome to today's Space and Astronomy quiz. You'll answer 10 multiple-choice questions. You have 10 seconds to think about each one. Let's see how well you know your stuff. Good luck! Question 1. Which planet in our solar system has the most moons? A. Jupiter. B. Uranus. C. Neptune. D. Saturn. The correct answer is D. Saturn. Saturn currently holds the record with 146 confirmed moons as of 2023, overtaking Jupiter. Many of these moons were discovered using advanced telescopes and data analysis techniques. Question 2. What is the name of the force that keeps planets in orbit around the Sun? A. Electromagnetic force. B. Gravity. C. Nuclear force. D. Centrifugal force. The correct answer is B. Gravity. Gravity is the mutual attractive force between masses, and it governs orbital mechanics throughout the universe. Isaac Newton described this in 1687, and Einstein later refined our understanding with general relativity. Question 3. What is the approximate age of the universe? A. 8.2 billion years. B. 20.1 billion years. C. 13.8 billion years. D. 11.4 billion years. The correct answer is C. 13.8 billion years. Scientists determined the universe's age of approximately 13.8 billion years by measuring the cosmic microwave background radiation left over from the Big Bang, primarily using data from the Planck satellite. Question 4. What type of celestial object is a pulsar? A. A rapidly rotating neutron star. B. A dying red giant. C. A type of black hole. D. A newly forming white dwarf. The correct answer is A. A rapidly rotating neutron star. Pulsars are highly magnetized, rapidly rotating neutron stars that emit beams of electromagnetic radiation. Some pulsars spin hundreds of times per second and are among the most precise natural clocks in the universe. Question 5. Which space telescope captured the first real image of a black hole in 2019? A. James Webb Space Telescope. B. Hubble Space Telescope. C. Chandra X-ray Observatory. D. Event Horizon Telescope. The correct answer is D. Event Horizon Telescope. The Event Horizon Telescope is not a single telescope but a global network of synchronized radio observatories that collectively form an Earth-sized dish. It captured the shadow of the supermassive black hole in galaxy M87. Question 6. What is the name of the nearest star system to our Sun? A. Sirius. B. Alpha Centauri. C. Barnard Star. D. Vega. The correct answer is B. Alpha Centauri. The Alpha Centauri system, about 4.37 light-years away, is a triple star system consisting of Alpha Centauri A, Alpha Centauri B, and Proxima Centauri, with Proxima being the closest individual star to the Sun. Question 7. What phenomenon occurs when a massive star exhausts its nuclear fuel and explodes? A. Nova. B. Solar flare. C. Supernova. D. Gamma-ray burst. The correct answer is C. Supernova. A supernova is one of the most energetic events in the universe, briefly outshining an entire galaxy. Supernovae are responsible for dispersing heavy elements like iron and gold into space, making them essential building blocks of planets and life. Question 8. On which moon of Saturn has NASA's Cassini spacecraft detected signs of a subsurface ocean? A. Titan. B. Rhea. C. Enceladus. D. Dion. The correct answer is C. Enceladus. Cassini discovered that Enceladus has active water ice geysers erupting from its south pole, feeding Saturn's E-ring. Scientists believe a warm, salty, liquid water ocean lies beneath its icy surface, making it a prime candidate for extraterrestrial life. Question 9. What is the Chandrasekhar limit? A. The maximum speed a comet can reach near the Sun. B. The minimum mass needed for a nebula to form a star. C. The maximum mass a white dwarf star can have before collapsing. D. The radius at which light cannot escape a black hole. The correct answer is C. The maximum mass a white dwarf star can have before collapsing. The Chandrasekhar limit is approximately 1.4 times the mass of our Sun. A white dwarf exceeding this limit will collapse under gravity and typically trigger a type Ia supernova, which astronomers use as standard candles to measure cosmic distances. Question 10. Which of these correctly describes the concept of cosmic inflation? A. The gradual cooling of the universe over billions of years. B. The exponential expansion of space in the first fraction of a second after the Big Bang. C. The acceleration of galaxy recession due to dark energy. D. The process by which black holes grow by absorbing surrounding matter. The correct answer is B. The exponential expansion of space in the first fraction of a second after the Big Bang. Cosmic inflation proposes that the universe expanded by a factor of at least 10 to the power of 26 in a tiny fraction of a second, around 10 to the power of negative 36 seconds, after the Big Bang. This theory, proposed by Alan Guth in 1980, elegantly explains the universe's large-scale uniformity and flatness. That's all the questions for today. Drop your score in the comments. I'd love to know how you did. If you enjoyed the quiz, hit like and subscribe for a new quiz every week. See you next time.